Hello, my name is Ravinder. I'm recording this series on IELTS speaking to share my experience of scoring 9 bands in the IELTS speaking exam and help you score high in your IELTS speaking exam. In my very first video, I shared my story on how I was able to score 9 bands in my IELTS speaking exam without any preparation. So if you haven't watched that video, I would highly recommend that you go see that video so that you can know about my story and my experience with IELTS speaking. Now my goal in all these videos that I'm recording is to do a step-by-step analysis of everything that I believe might have worked in my favor that helped me score 9 bands in my IELTS speaking exam. Now in this video, I want to talk about two things which I believe you should know about yourself that will go a very long way in helping you guarantee a score of 7+ bands in your IELTS speaking exam. Now, I know that whenever someone prepares for the IELTS examination, they keep their main focus on their English language skills. Now, definitely your English language skills will help you a lot in getting a high score in IELTS exam. But I believe that if you know a couple of things about yourself, that will help you understand how you should be preparing for your IELTS exam. Now, the first thing I believe you should be knowing about yourself is your personality type. Now, everybody has a different type of a personality. Some people are shy, some people are outspoken, some people love to prepare well in advance before any presentation. Some people are more confident thinking on the spot and speaking on the spot. So if you know about your personality type, then that will help you understand how you should be preparing for your IELTS speaking exam. Now keep in mind that the IELTS speaking exam is mainly a conversation between you and the examiner. So it's not a question answer session. So it's not like a math or a science exam where you are expected to give right answers, and if you give wrong answers, you will not score well. So it's more of a conversation. So you need to understand your personality type so that you are better prepared to participate in that conversation. To give an example, I know that I'm not a shy person and I like to be in a situation where I'm thinking on the spot and I'm delivering on the spot. I never want to be in a situation where I prepare well in advance for a presentation and then start giving the presentation. I mostly like to think and deliver on the spot. So that's one thing that definitely worked in my favor, and it helped me score 9 bands in my IELTS speaking exam. And if you probably know about my story, so this is one of the reasons I did not even prepare for the IELTS speaking exam, because I know about my personality type and I was confident going into the IELTS speaking exam, knowing that all I have to do is just a conversation, and I love talking to people and I love thinking on the spot, speaking on the spot, and that definitely worked in my favor. So that's one thing. The second thing I believe you should be knowing about yourself is the way you think when you speak English. Now, let me help you understand what I mean. So there are two types of people. One who actually think in English and speak in English, and the others who think in their mother tongue but speak in English. Now, the difference between these two types of people is that someone who is actually thinking in English and speaking in English is more confident in his or her speech delivery. Whereas someone who is actually thinking in his or her mother tongue but speaking in English is actually doing a translation, real-time translation of thoughts from one language to the other. So he or she will not be very confident when speaking in English because some part of the energy is being spent on this translation from one language to the other. So if you know about the type of person you are, that will help you understand how to prepare well for your IELTS speaking exam. So if you know that you are capable of thinking in English and speaking in English, then trust me, you stand all chances of scoring a 9 band in IELTS speaking. But if you think that you are someone who thinks in his or her mother tongue and then speaks in English, then you probably should be working on your thought process and on your delivery a little more, because on the spot you might not be able to translate one language into another, because you might start feeling the pressure of the situation and your performance might degrade. So if you know about your personality type, and if you know how you think when you speak in English, these two things will go a very long way in helping you guarantee a high score in your IELTS speaking exam. No doubt English skills are important, but knowing how your brain works and what kind of a person you are will play a very big role in helping you understand how you should be preparing for your IELTS speaking exam. So this was all that I had to cover in this video. Remember that in my video series, all I'm doing is a step-by-step analysis of everything that I think worked in my favor. So if you like this video and if you want to watch more videos in this series, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. That way you will get a notification every time we post a new video on our channel. So that's all I have for this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.